Yo guys, welcome back by a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and today I am bringing you guys an emergency update about the price action of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Currently we are seeing Bitcoin breaking out of the W structure and Ethereum forming an inverse head and shoulders, guys. If this sounds interesting for you guys, make sure to right away smash up the like if you haven't already. Make sure to as well subscribe to the channel and of course hit the bell notification to not miss out on these time related videos. So guys, without further ado, let's go right away into the video. Let me start off with the Bitcoin chart here because guys, Bitcoin is currently forming a W structure on the 1 hourly time frame, and this is a typical reversal structure, and this is of course providing us an insane good buying opportunity currently to open a possibility for a long trade exactly on the point that we're currently trading on. You can see previous resistance right now flipping into support, and of course if we right away measure the price target, guys, this can be a potential move of 11% towards the upside, even 12%. And earlier today I was already making a video here on the channel. You can see over here warning for all the Ethereum holders. That video was dedicated about Ethereum, but I also was talking a little bit about Bitcoin. And over there I was talking about that we can be seeing this breakthrough of this neckline. And if we're going to see the breakthrough of the neckline, I should be waiting for a retest. And on the retest, you can be opening your long trade here. I mean, guys, what we can currently see right now here is that Bitcoin, of course, is breaking above this level, this key level of resistance. And of course, we are currently already for the past 5 hours successfully finding support on this level. So what is this telling us? This is basically telling us that we can see some more upwards momentum for Bitcoin at least. And of course, this will be definitely dragging the altcoins with it as well here, because currently, yes, Ethereum is still down 8% compared to Bitcoin in the last 24 hours. And the reason why here is because the recent dump, of course, it dragged all these altcoins with it as well here. And currently, Bitcoin is holding up very strong, but the other altcoins will be following anytime soon here, guys. So there's no reason to panic right now. The best thing what you can currently do, in my opinion, is of course accumulate, because yes, we've been in a downtrend for quite a while right now for Bitcoin. This downtrend has been utilized, and of course right now it looks to be that we are finally getting our first major reversal signals. And of course, if I see such a kind of signal, I will be not ignoring it. I already have my long trade right now open for Bitcoin. Of course, tight stop loss is set here, maximum 2% loss here. But definitely, this is a good setup what we can currently take here. And if you want to be joining me, you can be right now as well signing up with the Bybit link in the description. Bybit is currently offering you a $2,610 deposit bonus. Biggest deposit bonus ever in history of crypto, so make sure to check it out here if you haven't already. But guys, yeah, besides this, Bitcoin of course providing a very good opportunity here on the pattern that's currently unfolding. We can also look at the MACD here, and the MACD is showing us also some very good green flags here. First of all, we are having a bullish crossover on the MACD. Second of all, we are starting in higher high structure and higher low structure as well here. So this is also definitely on our side, and this can be really providing some more momentum towards the upside as well here. So this is looking very good. But right now, I will be talking a little bit about Ethereum, because yes, guys, I think what we are currently seeing on Ethereum is very important to know, because yes, I know on the channel a lot of you guys are loving Ethereum. I even did this community post recently on the channel where you can see I was asking you guys, will Ethereum overtake Bitcoin? Approximately 52% of you guys were saying yes, and we had almost 4K votes here. So let me know in the comment section if you think that Ethereum can be overtaking Bitcoin. It would be very amazing to hear your thoughts about it, of course. And I will be right away giving you my exact analysis what it is going to do in the coming hours as well here. Because first of all, yes, Ethereum will be following Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the main asset of the market. And second of all, Ethereum is right now forming this inverse head and shoulders, what is also a typical reversal pattern. So you can see over here, left shoulder getting created over here. Then we are creating the head over here and a right shoulder right now as well here. So this is looking particularly good here in my opinion. And of course, what you can see over here, if we're going to see the breakout, and we already are seeing the breakout, and we already had a successful retest, and that is the reason why I'm currently making this emergency update, guys, we can be seeing a 26% surge towards the upside. So I don't see necessarily some bearish things unfolding right now. We are currently having bullish divergence. We are seeing an inverse head and shoulders, and on Bitcoin and W playing out here. This is all giving me green flags here. And if you haven't already accumulated some, I mean, I should not be hesitating to stay on the sidelines. I mean, I should be not hesitating to accumulate some, because staying on the sidelines right now is definitely not the best strategy. And besides that, guys, recently we were also talking about the ascending triangle, and that was of course before we were seeing this crazy drop off. And this symmetrical ascending triangle here was perfectly played out here. We were anticipating it once breaking down that we can be taking a 12% move towards the downside, and we perfectly played that. And right now you're getting another opportunity to long Ethereum here with a potential 26% return here. So this looks extremely good here. I should be not hesitating, like I told you before, to jump into Ethereum right now as well. If you're not like the scenario, if you don't like the scenario of the inverse head and shoulders, you can even call it a little bit different here. You can be approaching it a little bit different. And you can see we are creating a bullish divergence here on the RSI, higher low getting formed, lower low in the price chart. This is of course providing us more momentum towards the upside. Besides that critical resistance line getting broken, we are looking strong here. And as well, if I flip onto the MACD here, you can see, yes, guys, we're starting in higher low structure as well as in higher high structure currently. So with a bullish crossover also coming in here, guys, I think the momentum is definitely on our side, and I think it's very important to trade with the momentum. And of course, guys, this was a very short video, but I will be uploading it right now as soon as possible because this is an extreme time related video. So make sure to share this video with your friends if you haven't already, because then of course all your friends can join us as well with this insane trade. And of course, you want to let them know what is currently ongoing with the market. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like on the video, and I will check you guys later in a new video on the channel. Goodbye.